ओम दम धन्वंतरे नमः। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानीं सहितं नमामि। So today's topic is Ayurveda drugs and formulations used in day-to-day practice. So Ayurveda is becoming popular day by day in Indian subcontinent. So people are coming for Ayurveda treatment generally. So Ayurveda is accepted as scientific and evidence-based medicine. Ayurveda medicines are becoming popular day by day. These medicines are cost-effective, safe, affordable also. Especially in the management of chronic disorders and non-communicable diseases, these medicines are effective and having least side effects even after prolonged usage. So let us see one by one these are disorders and the prescription. In Atisara, not prescription, the medicines. In Atisara, diarrheal diseases, Kutajaganavati, Kutajavaleha, Kutajarishta, Mustakarishta, Lashanadivati, Lavanavaskara Churna, Dadima, Palata Kashaya, and Hingvastaka Churna. So this is the idiom where there is 4 layers, histology, mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. You can see the villi, finger-like projections, which are lined by mucosal cells, which is absorptive in function, mainly secretory and absorptive in function. There are a few goblet cells also in between. So in Natsara, Kutaja, Halarin and Centrica truck is Kashaya used. Bilwa is also used. The unripe fruit, the pulp is taken and it is prepared. Bilwa leha and bilwa soy prepared. Bilwa jvati and it is used in diarrhea. So in Nazarashala, peptic ulcer, Bunimbadi Kashaya, Sutashekar Rasa, Kamaduga Rasa, Pravala Panchamata Rasa, Mukta Panchamata Rasa, Pravala Pishti, Mukta Pishti, Pravala Vasma, Mukta Vasma, Maratika Vasma, Shanka Vasma, Shukti Vasma, and Agnitanjivati are used. This is a peptic ulcer in duodenum ulcer. The histology of duodenum is shown here. You can see mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. In the submucosa, there are Brunner's glands, mucus secreting glands are there. So drugs used in Udarashala, like graphic. Arshas, hemorrhoids, Trifala tablets, Haritaka tablets, Ushirasava, Truitleya, Bhaushala Mocha Rasachurna, Rodrasava, Abhayarishta, Drakshasava, Balabhadrasa, and Asho Haramalahara. So here Mocha Rasachurna and Balabhadrasa for stopping the bleeding. This is the colon histology. Drug used in Arshas, that is Suvarnagade, or it is Surana and Trifala. Janasandhigata Vata, Mahayogara Guru, Kaishara Guru, Yogaraja Guru, Trayodasham Guru, Nirgundi Tela for application, Mahanarana Tela for external application, Prabhanjana Vimardana Tela, Vishagarbha Tela, Karpasasya Tela, Kuttam Chakka Tela, Panchaguna Tela, Vatari Tela, they are all for external application. Punarama Mandora, Vishajandagavati, Maha Rasna Kashaya, Rasna Sapta Kashaya, Rasna Pancha Kashaya, Balarishta and Ashwagandharishta. So this is a structure of histology of bone. You can see Haversian canal center and periosteum in the periphery, and in the center in the middle and inside there is a Haversian system is there. Haversian canal surrounded by Haversian lamellae, interstitial lamellae, and circumferential lamellae. In that there are a few lacunae where osteocytes are seen. Bone cells are of 3 types: osteocytes, osteoblasts, and osteoclasts. Osteocytes are the mature bone cells, osteoblasts are the immature bone cells to growing, and osteoclasts are bone destroying cells. The drug used Nirgundi Thaila used internally also, Nirgundi Patra Churna also used, Eranda also used. ಪ್ರವಾಹಿಕ ಕುಟಜಗನವಟ್ಟಿ ಕುಟಜಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಬಿಲ್ವಾಲೇಹ ದಾಡಿಮ ಫಲತಕ್ ಕಷಾಯ ಕುಟಜಾಲೇಹ ಇನಿಕ್ಕ ಖರ್ಜುರಾಸವ ಶ್ರುತಶೇಖರ ರಸ ಖರ್ಜುರಾದಿಮಂತ ಕಾಮದುಗ ರಸ ನಾಭಿವಟ್ಟಿ ಗೌಕ್ಷೀರ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮದು ಪಾಂಟ ಜ್ವರ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ರಸ ಅಮೃತತ್ರ ಕಷಾಯ ಅಮೃತಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಚತತ್ವ ಕಷಾಯ ತ್ರಿಭುವನಕೀರ್ತಿ ರಸ ಹಿಂಗುಲೇಶ್ವರ ರಸ ಆನಂದಭೈರವ ರಸ ವಾಸಕಾರಿಷ್ಟ ವಿಪಲ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂಡ್ ದಶಮರಾಷ್ಟ ಸೊ ಗುಡುಚಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಸ್ತ ಇನ್ಕಾಸ ವಾಸಾವಲೇಹ ಸುಧಫಲಾಚೂರ್ಣ ತಾಲಿಸಾಚೂರ್ಣ ಮುಕ್ಕ ಮುಕ್ಕಟಕಾದಿವಟ್ಟಿ ವಾಸಾವಲೇಹ ಕಂಠಕಾರ್ಯವಲೇಹ ಅಂಡ್ ತಾಲಿಸಪತ್ರ ವಟಕ ಅಮೃತಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಅಮೃತ ಕಷಾಯ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ರಸ ತ್ರಿಭುವನಕೀರ್ತಿ ರಸ ಹಿಂಗುಲೇಶ್ವರ ರಸ ಮಲ್ಲಸಿಂಧೂರ ರಸಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯ ರಸಸಿಂಧೂರ ರಸಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯ ಅಭ್ರಕಭಸ್ಮ ದಶಮೂಲಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಮಕರಧ್ವಜ ಪೂರ್ಣಧ್ವಜ ದೇವರು ಸೊ ವಾಸಕ ಅಡತೊಡ ವಾಸಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪಲಿ ಪೈಪರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ಶ್ವಾಸ ಪುಷ್ಕರಮೂಲಾಸವ ಪೌಷ್ಕಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ವಂಕುಷ್ಟಾಸವ ಕನಕಾಸವ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ರಸ ತ್ರಿಭುವನಕೀರ್ತಿ ರಸ ಮಲ್ಲಸಿಂಧೂರ ರಸಸಿಂಧೂರ ಶ್ವಾಸಕಟಾಗ ರಸ ಪೂರ್ಣಧ್ವಜ ರಸ ಅಭ್ರಕಭಸ್ಮ ಅಮೃತೋತ್ತರ ಕಷಾಯ ಅಮೃತಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾರಸ್ವತಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಕರಧ್ವಜ ಸಾರಿ ಶ್ವಾಸಾರ ಕಷಾಯ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಕರಧ್ವಜ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ selected in treatment of Shwasa. So there is the trachea which has 4 layers. Innermost is the pseudostratified columnar epithelium with ciliated border. Cilia, isn't it? Microcilia are there. Then mucosa and the cartilage part and the adventition. Drugs used Patura and Abrakvasma is used. In Amavata, Mrityunjaya Rasa, Amateshwara Rasa, Amatari Rasa, Maharasana Kashaya, Rasnayarandadi Kashaya, ಗಂಧರ್ವಸಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಸಿಂಹನಾದ ಹೂಗಳು ಕೈಶರೋಗಗಳು ಏರಂಡ ತೈಲ ಕ್ಷೀರಪಾಕ ಇದು ಶುಂಠಿ ಕ್ಷೀರಪಾಕ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಕ್ಷೀರಪಾಕ ವಿಷಗರ್ಭ ತೈಲ ಅಂಡ್ ತ್ರಿಭುವನಕೀರ್ತಿ ರಸ. These are the drugs. Chronic kidney disease, ವದಂತಿ ಭಸ್ಮ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ರಭಾವಟಿ ವರುಣಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಷ್ಟ ಕಷಾಯ ತೃಣಪಂಚಮಲ ಕಷಾಯ ವರುಣಶುಕ್ರ ಕಷಾಯ ಕಗುಕ್ಷರ ಬೀಜ ಚೂರ್ಣ ಶಿವಾಗುಟಿಕ ಶಿಲಾಜುತ್ತ ಲೋಹ. So depending upon situation, the medicine is selected. Nephrotic syndrome, ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ರಭಾವಟಿ ಪುನರ್ನವಾದಿ ಮಂಡುರ ವರುಣಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಅಮೃತದಿ ಕಷಾಯ these are used. In hepatitis, ಫಲತ್ರಿಕಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ವದಂತಿ ಭಸ್ಮ ಗುಡುಚಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವರ್ಧಿನಿ ರಸ ಕಟುಕಿ ಕಷಾಯ ನಾರಿಕೇಲ ಜಲ ಭೂಮ್ಯಾಮಲಕ ಸ್ವರಸ ತ್ರಿಫಲ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಕಮಾಚಿ ಸ್ವರಸ and ಗೋಕ್ಷೀರ are used. So varuna, Ratava narvala, the bark is used, Gokshara, the seeds are used, fruits are used, tablets are used. Now Pranava, the root is used for heavier diffuser. Alcoholic cirrhosis, Aragavadini Vati, Palatakari Kashaya, Kajraji Manta, Gudanti Vasma, Katakai Kashaya, and Gudichi Kashaya are used. This is the structure of liver, hepatic lobule, central vein, periphery, there is a the hepatic lamina are there. And in between hepatic lamina, sinusoids are there. It is blood, and blood comes to central vein, goes to the tributary of the hepatic vein to the inferior vena cava. This is the structure of hepatic lobule. So Kutuki and Gudanti are used. Urinary tract infection, Annakrasayana, Sarivadhyasava, Sandanasava, Vedayadi Kashaya, Trivangavasma, Vashirasava, Chandraprabhavati, Chandanadiloha, Shilajaloha, Shilajatoti, and Shivagotika are used. So Ushira and Saryo. So in Hikka, we have seen, isn't it? Kajrasava, etc. So Kajra and the estimate. In hepatitis, this also we have seen, isn't it? Paratikari Kashaya, Rajavadinati, Kati Kashaya, etc. In Gaddasi, same as Sandigatavata, Abhyanga, Matra Basti, Astapana Basti, Anasana Basti, and Kati Basti. This is a Kati Basti. See, isn't it? Kati Basti. ಮಧುಮೇಹ ವಸಂತಕುಸುಮಾಕರ ರಸ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ರಭಾವಟಿ ಅಸನಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಸಪ್ತಾರಂಗಿ ಚೂರ್ಣ ಕಟಕದರಾಜಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಪುಗಖಂಡ ಪುಗಕ್ವಾತ ಗುಡುಚಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಯಶದಭಸ್ಮ ವಂಗಭಸ್ಮ ಮಹಾದಿತ್ತಗಂ ಕಷಾಯಂ ಪಂಚಯುಕ್ತ ಕಷಾಯ and ಎಂಬಾಸ್ವ. This is the pancreas. You see, endocrine and exocrine part is there. Exocrine part are the serosecreting glands are there, acini are there. Endocrine, the islet of Langerhans, where the alpha cell, beta cells, and delta cells are there. So drug use are asana and tarangi. In alcoholic disease, Gokshira, Paneer, Pranavadimandura, and Pranavasa is used. Other drugs also there, Kanjurajamanta, Regorginity, they are also used. In hypertension, Litamsicurna, Tagara tablet, Sapaganda tablet, Sarasarishta, Shara Parpati, Pranavadimandura, Pranavasa, and Pranavastakashaya. Here, sedative or hypnotic and diuretics are used. So, Sarpaganda, it is Ravalfia serpentina and Zetavams. Nardostakis, Zetavams. In hypothyroidism, Guggulu, Yogara Yogulu, Medora Guggulu, Uksha Yogulu, Amritari Guggulu, Navaga Guggulu, Kanchana Guggulu, Arunadika Shaya, Tefala tablet, and Shinti Shir Pakajila. So, Kanchanara, Vahayana Veregesa, and Google. Very good. Eczema, Valmarcha Tela, Nalpamara Tela, Ajararishta, Dharvadaswa, Tanaswa, Mahamanji Sharikashaya, Mahaditamkushaya. For application, Valmarcha Tela, Nalpamara is used. This is skin. Psoriasis, Srikuta Tela, both internally and externally. Arigavadin Rasa, Gulfida Kashaya, Mahadita Kashaya, Mahamanji Sharikashaya, Bandaka, Rasayana, Tapala and Madhu Vesti Churna. Dinamallika Churna is also, Dinamanika Taila is also used. In our institute, research has been conducted in Kajasa department, PG department, and it was found Dr. Lakshmi Meghana has worked on this, and it is found effective. Dinamallika Taila is effective in psoriasis. Obesity, Ruksha, Udvartana, Langana, Medora Ugulu, Amritadi Ugulu, Tradesham Ugulu, Triphala tablet, Shaila Udvartana, and Vayama indicated. So this is the adipose tissue. You can see the adipocytes with the peripheral nucleus and all the cytoplasm is occupied by the fat lobule. Cervical spondylosis and lumbar spondylosis, same as Nigitavata, Nasa and Katigasthya also used. So this step. Thyrotoxicosis, Nitamsicurna, Sarpagandavati, Sarasarishta, Mamsarasa, Ajamsarasayana, Kukutanda, Arjunarishta, that's it. Gosapipana, and the Okshira and the Chatusneha they are used. Because there will be decrease in cholesterol content of the blood, serum cholesterol will be low, and there will be emaciation, there will be rapid mentation. So for that we have to use sedatives and we have to use Brahmana therapy. Pakshagata, Shishtishalpindasveda, Vinilepa, Vibhyanga, Nasya, and Aushadis. These Aushadis are given. Matsintamani, Mahavata Dvamsa, Ekanga Rasa, Yogendra Rasa, Sarnamanya Vasanta, Mahayoga Yoguru, Balarishta, Ashwagandharishta, Sahasrarishta, Sarpaganda Vanavati, Yatamsicurna, Tagara tablet, Maha Narayana Taila, Maha Mashitaila for application, Shuddhavala Taila, Kiravala Taila for application, external application, Vashna Shirapaka, Ashwagandha Churna, walking and rehabilitation, treatment, etc. condition. Saradra. This is the Pindasveda. Drugs used Bala and Ashwagandha. So now start that is we have seen rheumatoid arthritis, similar medicines are given. Sciatica syndrome also we have these medicines are. Irritable syndrome, the Kutajaganavati, Mustakarishta, Kutajarishta, Nagu, Gangadhara Churna, Bharat Gangadhara Churna, Pilvadivati, Kutajavaleha, these are all used. Hemiplegia, we have already discussed. Paraplegia, similar drugs. Yapanapasti, Matrapasti are also given. Tailabhyanga, Vishtashalipindaseda, Vashpadeda, Sarvanga Seda, these are given. Already is the hepatoprotectives and diuretics and supplementation of protein, these are given. Hepatitis. Alcoholic hepatitis, we give Godant Churna with the tender coconut water, Hakamachi Sarasa, Bonimbaja Kashaya, Bhumya Malaki Churna, Swarasa, Manilev Syrup, Pranavasava, Pranavaswarasa, Amritati Kashaya, Pralapajambalasa, Pralapishti, Pralavasma, Patuki Kwata, Kumari Asava, Buduchi Kashaya, Drunapushti Sarasa, Mukta Pishti, etc. Alcohol syrup, similar drugs are given. Conclude. Ayurveda medicines are safe, affordable, and cost effective also. The treatment of chronic and non-communicable disorders, Ayurveda medicine has very good potential, beneficial, very beneficial. There is least adverse reactions seen during Ayurveda treatment. So once again, I thank the audience for patient hearing. Thank you.